Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a factory reset for your HP laptop without password. So the first thing that you need to do is to turn off your laptop, fully shut down your laptop using the power options on the login screen or using the power button. After that, as you see from here on your laptop, while turning on your laptop, you need to press the F11 key a lot of times until the recovery options actually open. After your laptop boots to the recovery mode, you need to choose troubleshoot options and then you need to choose the recovery options and recovery manager. And after that, the recovery manager will open. Choose how you are running the recovery manager. As we are running the recovery manager media, you need to choose this option, then click on next. After that, from the help menu, you need to choose system recovery. Now you need to back up all your files as seen here. You need to click on backup and hit on next. After that, choose how you want to backup your files. You can choose the files manually or make an auto selection. If you choose an auto selection, you can choose which type of files you want to be backed. After that, hit on next. And now you need to use a USB drive or a hard drive to backup your media. After you connect your hard drive, you need to choose it right here. And after that, hit on next. Now after everything is done, just follow the prompts right here and hit on finish after that. And that's it. Now you have successfully done a factory reset without a password on your HP laptop. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.